Okay, so I've been working on the joint between the different sections for the boat. This is the latest thing I tried, which basically sucks. So what I want to do is I want to design something inside, on the inside of the hull, that will line up the different sections, so you won't get the sliding of the parts. I want them to line up perfectly. So that's not so hard really if you're just designing something for yourself, but I want it to be like the F1 car, so I want it to be super duper simple, and I want it to be scalable as well. So I don't want to add additional parts that if you scale it down too much, those parts are going to be too small. So I'd rather just have the sections and have some geometry inside that will be scalable together with the rest of the hull. So the idea I had here was to use zip ties to somehow line up the different parts, because if you use cutouts here to add zip ties, you can just scale it up or down and just add whatever zip ties you want. And another reason for that is you can find zip ties anywhere. You don't have to look for M3 screws or nuts like the F1 car, or you can use, if you don't use zip ties, you can use whatever. So what I wanted to do was to create a design inside the hull here, so you can print it like this, print it like that as well, and preferably not use support material as well, so it's even trickier. I'm kind of stuck here because I want it to be super duper simple. That's the main goal I have here. So it's not open if I don't share stuff. So I uploaded 2 step files for 2 sections. So if there's any one of you guys that want to have a go at this and maybe come up with a clever solution to join these parts in a really simple way, I mean, I'd be really grateful, and of course you'd be added to the list of contributors to this project as well, so we can finally finish it sometime. This has been bugging me for a while, so I would be grateful if someone wants to take a look at this with fresh eyes and maybe come up with some new ideas. So I'm just gonna leave it here and download it, have a look at it, and either you can just add some stuff to the design itself, or just present some ideas in the comments below, any way you want it. Just remember that the main goal is that anyone should be able to print it. I don't want to add stuff that will be too intricate to print or hard to print if you know that you will have to have a super duper tuned printer. I want everybody to be able to print this and scale it up and scale it down as well. So those are the main goals. I'm gonna leave it down there. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about this, or if you have any ideas for the design, so we can finish this boat and get it out on the water and have some fun. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.